Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear learners. This is your English language instructor, Dr. Nurul Huda. I hope you all are doing great and enjoying the blessings of Allah. And I'm sure that by now you have already done your bridging activity. And this time your answer should match mine because these are the correct answer. Now today's LIFT is again very, very important because it asks you to use contraction with the verbs. So we will be learning a new term today that is called contraction. So first of all, we will understand what is a contraction. Contraction means when we join two words and contract them or squeeze them into one single word. Can you see? Here we have two words. Now we have joined the two words into a very new word, don't. So this is called contraction or squeezing or shortened form. Remember, we use contraction only in informal speech or writing. We are not allowed to use contraction in formal writing or speech. Remember that. So in this case, we have two words, can and not. We have contracted them or squeezed them or shortened them into a one word that is called can't. So don't get worried, we will be learning how to make a new contracted form. To make a new contracted form, we need an apostrophe comma. Remember, we have used apostrophe comma in possession as well. So apostrophe comma is used in contraction as well. So how do we do it? We bring two separate words together and then we omit. Omit means remove or cut or delete one letter, and in the place of that letter we put a comma. Remember? So this is how we make a contraction. For example, if we have I and am, these are two different words. In this case, we remove a and instead of a, we write a comma, and again this apostrophe is not going to be placed on the bottom of the line but the above the letter. So now we have made one new contraction, I am. We are going to say it I am, but we are going to write it like this with I apostrophe comma and then am. Again, we have two words over here, I and have. In this case, we have omitted H and A, and before it we have put comma. Now it has become I have. We are going to say the full form, but we are going to write the half form. Again, she is, two separate words. In this case, we are going to remove I, and this is going to be the new form. She is happy. Instead of I, we have put the comma. It is. Again, we have removed I, and this is the new form. It's raining. Now, in case of could not, we have removed N from it, and now this is the new form. We have removed O, and this is the new form couldn't. Sometimes we do not say the complete word, and sometimes we say it. For example, we are not going to say could not, we are going to say couldn't. So in some cases we remove I, for example this one. In some cases we remove H and A, for example I have, and in some cases we only remove O, for example in couldn't. Now this is how you have to do it. Place contraction comma or apostrophe comma to combine two words to make one single word, and remember this is used in informal writing and speech, and we have to omit or cut or delete or drop a letter to make that. For example, if you have I am, it is, could not, this is how you have to contract them into I am, it's, and couldn't. Now to check your understanding of the focus, we have designed this formative check. You have to do it in the class with the help of your teacher, then go home to your homework. See you again in the next BLIFT. Till then, bye-bye, Allah Hafiz.